Hello everyone and welcome back to JT on the Go. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Dji Mics. Now, there's supposed to be a mic in this slot, while there's supposed to be the receiver in this slot. Well, they're not here because I'm using them to make this video. The receiver is attached to the GoPro, while the mic is attached to my shirt. And these mics have a lot of advantages to play when it comes to making YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you how these work and the advantages that they play. So let's see how they work. These mics were created by DJI. DJI may sound familiar to some of you because DJI is the manufacturer of the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone that I use to make pictures and videos in the air. I made a video on how to use it. If you are a YouTuber, these are very useful for you. The mics cost $249 on Amazon Prime. For the case that houses the mics, you will find the receiver, 2 mics, and some tools that connect them to the phone and GoPro cameras. This piece is used to attach the receiver to the GoPro Media Mod. I'll show you that later. Check out my video on how to use the GoPro Hero 11. When you open the case, everything turns on, but you can turn off the receiver or the mics if you please. I do that to save battery power. The 4 dots at the bottom tell you how much charge the case has left. The case itself is also a charger for the receiver and the mics. That is a big advantage over other wireless mics. When the receiver is in the box, it shows the battery percentages on the receiver and the mics. When the mics in the receiver are charging, it takes power out of the case and the case needs power. Here is a closer look at the mic. That is where you would plug it and charge the mic separately. There is a power button on the side of the mic that you would hold to turn it on or off. At the top is where it picks up the sound. On the back is a clip that makes it attach to the shirt. Or you can attach the mic with the magnet it has. I clip it to my undershirt to hide it. The case comes in with 2. This is very useful if you are doing a collaboration with another social media influencer. When I collaborated with Milan Likes Trains, I did not have these mics. I got them before I went to Spain and they were very useful. Next is the receiver. When both mics are on, the receiver can catch the pitch from both. When only one of them is on, then it will only show the pitch for the one mic. If you turn both of the mics off, then the receiver will not catch any pitch. The power button is on the left, and to place the plug a charging cord in. At the back are the 4 contacts that connect it to the case for charging. The mics have them too. Here is the piece that makes the receiver connect to the GoPro Media Mod. You slide it in at the back of the receiver and just slide it in on the top. Let me demonstrate how it's done. Here's what it looks like on the top of the Media Mod. You take it off like this. The piece that connects the receiver to the GoPro Media Mod is hard to remove. It helps if your fingernails are long enough. Here is one of the 2 plugs that can be used to connect the receiver to iPhones that take the lightning charging cord. One example is my mom's iPhone 14 Pro. The other cord is different. It can also connect to phones that take a USB-C plug. Simply slide either one of your choices in. One example is the iPhone 15 Pro that I have. The contacts in the case that give the receiver and the mic's power kind of behave like magnets. They do have firm attachments to the mics in the receiver. The piece that connects the receiver to the GoPro Media Mod is stored at the front. Both plugs are stored in these two slots. The receiver goes in the middle. The mics go in either end. The piece that attaches the receiver to the GoPro can also be stored by being connected to the receiver itself. When you close it, everything shuts down and the charging begins. There is also this small bag that comes with the case that has instructions and two other tools. Here is the plug that connects the receiver to the GoPro Hero 11 through the Media Mod. Here's how you would connect it. You plug it into the port that says out on the side. The sound only picks up while recording when the mic in the receiver is on. If the mic and the receiver are off and the plug is still connected, then you won't hear anything. A lot of my Spain videos had parts that you couldn't hear anything. The plug still being plugged in is the reason why. After that, I began taking it out after shooting introductory clips at the beginning of every video. These are the instructions on how to use the mics. Also are two pieces that cut out the wind and other background noises. They are easy to connect and disconnect from the mics. Here is how you would connect or disconnect the windsock from the mic. You twist to put it in and twist to take it out. If you find this video useful, like, subscribe, comment, and follow my Instagram account for more. This is JT on the Go signing off.